Hey everyone! Welcome to a quick walkthrough of our event management software. I'm going to show you how simple and smooth it is to create and manage your entire event from one clean dashboard. So this is the main dashboard, your overall control center. To start, we just click on Create Event. Here, we enter the event name and a short description. Once that's done, we just continue and choose the event mode, whether it's online, offline, or hybrid. Super simple. Next, you'll see the registration link section. What's cool here is that you can customize your event URL. You can edit the main link and even change the user-side link to match your branding. After saving that, we select the time zone and click Create Event. Now, the system takes us to the event details page. Here you can upload the event logo, add the event date and time, and fill in the venue details, venue name, country, state, and just save it. Then we move on to the actual event page. Once we enter the event dashboard, you'll see a setup progress chart. This is really helpful because it clearly tells you which step you're on and what you need to complete next, so you never feel lost during setup. If you click on Event Information, you can edit anything at any time: event name, description, category, date, time, venue, even the event policies. Just update and save, and everything gets refreshed instantly. And the best part is, you don't need to go back and forth. The Setup Process button always shows you what's next. Now, moving to Event Settings, this is where you add tax information if your event requires tax payment. Just enter your tax registration number and save it. Next is the Payment Settings section. Here you can add your thank you message, enter your Razorpay publishable key, choose your payment methods, and save everything. Then we quickly update our organization details as well. Alright, now let's move into the ticketing section. Before we actually create tickets, we first complete the dynamic forms because these forms collect all the attendee information during registration. Inside the dynamic forms area, we can see all the forms already created. You can preview them, edit them, or simply create a new one. For a new form, just give it a name, select the form type, add a small description, and create it. After that, you can add all the fields you need, super quick and flexible. Now that our form is ready, we head over to Event Tickets. Here, we click Create Ticket. We enter the ticket name, and if you want to group tickets, you can add a ticket group. If you don't want it, you can remove it, super easy. Next comes Pricing. Add your price and, if needed, enable the tax option so the ticket shows tax-inclusive pricing. Then we choose the form we created earlier. In the ticket settings, you'll see the QR code option. The system automatically generates the QR code, making check-ins super easy. You can even create a guest ticket if you want a simple, no-form entry option. Once everything is done, save it. Now you can see your ticket listed here. You can check its status, activate it, keep it private, or publish it whenever you're ready. Next, we move to Email Settings. Here you can fully customize the emails that go out to attendees. You can change the email title, write the message, add dynamic tags, and set the sender name. You can create your attendee confirmation email and also set up the order confirmation mail. Just enter the email title, choose the trigger, add the subject line, set the sender or organization name, and save it. Once this is done, your full email automation is ready. After completing these steps, you'll see your setup progress showing everything is complete. Now, you can also add add-ons here. So if you want to provide extra items like meal passes, merchandise, VIP add-ons, just fill it in and save. Next is batch creation. You can design badges for your attendees easily. After that, you can even generate certificates if your event includes participation or completion certificates. Now let's head to the front-end ticketing flow. Here's what the attendee sees. They pick a ticket, enter their details, first name, last name, email, and save the attendee. Then they review the order summary, apply a coupon if they have one, and go to payment. They just enter their number, choose UPI or card, complete the payment, and that's it. Once the payment is done, they instantly receive the registration confirmation mail, along with the ticket and invoice attached. And from the admin side, you can see how many people have purchased tickets, all attendee details, order information, and invoices, everything neatly organized. It's clean, user-friendly, and makes event management super smooth from start to finish. This is how our event management software helps you run events effortlessly.